Hey everybody. So my mom sent us something. I'm sorry for the music being loud, but my mom just sent us something for my son's birthday, which was Saturday. Now mind you, she didn't tell us what it was, okay? Not say nothing whatsoever. So it was big when I got here. I opened it up just so I can try to see and know. So yeah, I got a package from my mom for Nehemiah's birthday. And it was humongous. I'm like, what the heck is this? So I opened it just to see. He sleeps, so he doesn't know. But so, like I said, my mom ordered him a 4-wheeler for his birthday. So now I gotta put something together. You ignorant. So you know your birthday was Saturday, right? Look what Gma got you.
What is this?
It's a 4-wheeler.
What is this?
It's a 4-wheeler.
Don't work.
It did. It's turned off right now. You gotta turn it on. Unplug the back.
Put the back.
There you go. Look. You can get on it. Go ahead. You gotta sit on it. You can't just do that. Sit on it and then do it. Thank you. Now, go slow. Forward. Yeah.
Oh, it turned up.
Yeah. You said what? Need some music. Okay, Google. Play Old Town Road by Lil Nas.